In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Facebook and Instagram profiles. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. First you need to do is to download and install Instagram and Facebook app, and after that you have to log into Facebook and Instagram accounts. That's the easiest way to link both of that profiles. Once you did that, you have to open up Account Center. You can do it on Instagram and on Facebook as well. I'll show you both ways. On Instagram, just open up the app, then hit Add Profile Picture, then Menu icon, Settings, and here you can tap Add Account Center. At Facebook, open up Facebook app, hit Add Menu, hit Add Gear icon, then scroll down to the very bottom, and right here you can tap Add Account Center. That brings up Account Center. As you can see, there are no connected Instagram profiles in opposite to that profile, where I got to my Instagram accounts. That is my personal account, and that's another one. And now let me show you how I can connect Facebook page to any of that accounts. So first I have to do is right here, hit on Add Accounts button and then select Add Facebook Account. On that step, just underneath the Account Center, it offers me to connect Instagram account to my Facebook profile. That's because I have already logged into my Facebook account. If there are no suggested accounts here or that's wrong Facebook profile, you can hit Add Not You, and on the next step you have to enter Facebook login and password, and it connects Facebook profile to Account Center. But I'll just hit Add Continue because I want to connect that specific Facebook profile. I'll tap Add Continue, then Add Username. Then I have to wait for some time, about 10, maybe 20 seconds. And as you can see, now I got here 3 profiles, 2 Instagram profiles and 1 Facebook profile. Now I have to link Facebook profile to one of the Instagram profiles. So I can hit right here at Facebook profile, then I can hit right there, sync profile info, hit at that switcher to toggle this feature on, and on that step I can select one of my Instagram profiles. You can connect just one Instagram profile to specific Facebook profile. So I'll select my personal profile and then hit on Continue. Now it says that when you sync your profiles, it will keep your profiles updated by syncing your profile info. When your profile info is synced, any changes that you make will be reflected across Instagram and Facebook. People will be able to see and search for you with your name and username. You can hit right here at Manage Your Sync settings and set up which exact profile info to sync across Instagram and Facebook. It could be name, username, profile picture and avatar. I don't want to make any changes here, so I can go back for a step, and now here all I have to do is tap at Sync Profile Info. And now your profile info is synced. You can see 2 accounts here if you go back to your profiles, and now as you can see you got 2 profiles here instead of 3, and that profile contains Facebook and Instagram accounts connected to each other. You can now go out of here to your Account Center and tap at Sharing Across Profiles. There, first you have to select an account. I'll pick my personal Instagram account, and then I can select where exactly to share my Instagram content. It can be Facebook profile or some of Facebook pages. I can switch between that pages and profiles in that simple way. And also just down below here I can set up what exactly types of content I wish to share. I can share my Instagram stories, I can share my Instagram posts or my Instagram Reels. I can hit at Set Up, then hit on Allow to allow sharing Instagram Reels to Facebook Reels. I hope this video helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.